Okay, so let us solve this problem where uh, cylinder rod AB of the given length and weight is pivoted at end A, and it is released from the rest when it is in horizontal position. It can swing freely. So we have to find the angular velocity when it passes through the vertical position. So when this rod will become in this position, what would be the omega for this? And corresponding reaction, we have to also determine the reaction at the pivot. So pivot. So uh, so we have to solve for the given position. Okay, so we can apply here the energy principle. One situation is this one, when the rod is in horizontal position, and the another situation is this one where the rod is in this position. So here in this condition, the omega is, let me call this as omega. So the center of mass would be having some velocity v, and we know that v is nothing but L by 2 times omega. Here omega is 0, and so velocity is also 0. The external forces applied is of course the the external force is gravitational force, which is a conservative force. So we can apply that thing. We can apply the potential energy for that, and there are no external forces, except of course the external forces are here also at the reactions, which is here again the reactions, this Rx and Ry. Since these reaction forces are not going to, the point of application of these reaction forces doesn't move, so there is no work done by these forces. Okay, so let me apply the write the potential energy over here, which will be half m v square plus half I omega square. This is of course 0, and let me write this as datum. So this height is L by 2. So potential energy is mg L by 2, and in this case T2 is half m v square plus half I omega square, where half m L by 2 omega square plus half I omega square. You can write this half ml square by 2 plus I omega square. So this is the kinetic energy, and v2 is equals to 0. So finally you can write from conservation of mechanical energy, you can write v1 plus t1 is equals to v2 plus t2, and this implies mg L by 2 is equals to half ml square by 2 plus I omega square. So the only unknown over here is this omega square, which you can obtain. This will provide you. Okay, then you have to obtain the corresponding reaction at the pivot. So let let me again okay. So let me copy this. I'm sorry. So let me redraw these things. Let up, and the reaction forces are Rx, Ry. This is Mg, and is there any other force? External force? No. There is no any other external force. In this situation, the acceleration so the center of mass is going in on a motion like this. So this is the velocity. So net force in x direction is equals to so there are now we have to, in this situation we have to solve for the three unknowns. The one is Rx and Ry, and also yeah. So this part is done. Now when you have to obtain the reaction at the pivot Rx and Ry. Okay, I will put it in the another video.